Okay, so on this 97 Geo Tracker, I changed the lower belt as I described in the video, and it just broke it off. So I'm gonna try it again. I got a new belt on there again. I think $30 a belt, and see what happens. This time I'm not gonna drive around with it. I'll just bridle it here, and I want you to listen to the sound. And I think if it blows up the belt pretty quickly, I think it's the alternator. Even though the alternator spins, maybe as soon as it gets warm, it seizes up. I looked for posts about alternators, you know, seizing up when they get warm. I couldn't really find anything. Idle, so I'm hoping the idle will be more normal now. Hey, out of here! Come on! Out! Get out! Yeah, cats. The pulley is super hot. There we go. This pulley's cold. Okay, the alternator pulley is super hot. So that's it. It's the alternator, because the alternator pulley is super hot.